Hi, this is Roland from emailchecker.com. In this short video I'm going to show you our new tool that we've developed to make life easier to identify and extract emails from a number of sources. Okay, so this is it. It's an online tool, so there's no software for you to install, and we've got a number of options, and we've tried to design this and make it easy as possible for you to operate. So we've cut down on all the configuration bits and pieces that people find so confusing on other software that does this sort of task. So if I go ahead and very quickly go through the options that we've got available, I can extract emails from web page, from files, or I can simply copy paste from my computer clipboard. So let's go ahead and have a look at the web page option. In my demo files here, I've got a page that I might be interested in. For example, I might be interested in looking at all the emails and extracting all the emails from this page. If I was to do this manually, it would take me quite a while to do, sort of maybe 10 or 15 minutes. I basically need to go through the page, eyeball all of the email addresses, which isn't a problem because I've got nice underlined links here. Some pages don't have underlined links and they're kind of hidden in the text, so it's far less easy to eyeball them. But this is easy, which is great. If I was doing this manually, what I'd need to do is I'd need to look at the link, pull up the properties, or I could do copy email address, and then paste that into a spreadsheet or a document somewhere. So I'd need to do that for each and every email address on the page. Let's have a look at how the emailchecker.com tool handles this. I've just copied that URL and I'm going to paste it into our tool here, and then hit the extract button, and then very quickly it's gone away to the page and scraped all of those email addresses off the page. It's managed to identify 49 emails on the page, so that was nice and quick. So with those email addresses, what I can do now is now they're in a nice pretty format, you see I can scroll through them online here. I've also got the capability to filter for particular email addresses based on some criteria. So if I want to do some wildcard searches on a domain or a name, for example, I can use some options there. Just turning off the filter. I can now, if I want to get these out in a workable format, just simply extract these into an application that I can work with. So here, this is a comma separated value file, CSV file, so this works with Microsoft Excel, or you might have some other spreadsheet application installed, or you can simply open this up as a text document. On this computer here, this is opening up as a text document, and you can see that it's extracted in a workable format very easily, all of those email addresses on that web page. In this next section of the demo, I'm going to show you how to import files, but before we go ahead, let's go ahead and delete the results area here so that it's nice and clean and we don't get confused with the files that we're going to import shortly. So I click onto the Files tab, and then I go to Add New Files, which brings up this box here. I can add one or more files, so I'm going to actually put in 2 files. So those are the 2 files, and I'll go ahead and I'm going to select doc emails, which I'll open up and show you shortly, and also large list.csv. Okay, hit upload, and away they go. And then when they're done, hit the close window, the page refreshes, and there's a list of those files that I've just uploaded. Before I go ahead and extract those, let me show you what's in the doc emails.txt. In here is basically a bunch of text that I've copy pasted from one of the media sites in the UK just before I started doing this demo. So you'll notice here it's just a bunch of text. There are some emails in there, but they're not structured. They're not in comma separated format already or tab delimited or anything like that. This is just straight text that contains emails. So I'll just go ahead and close that file. Right, let's go ahead and extract those emails. So I'm going to go for doc emails, that's the file we just looked at, hit the extract button, and it's gone ahead and extracted 9 emails, and you can see those there. Okay, so it's nice and quick and simple. Let me just clean up that area, delete all, yeah, get rid of those. The next file I'm going to do is large list. Let's just go ahead and extract all of the emails from there. And it's extracted 3,868 emails, which took about a couple of seconds. And you'll see that these are all extracted. I can have all the features of this results area, so I can page, scroll, sort, and I can also export, filter, and so on. In this last section of the demonstration, I'm going to show you very quickly the remaining feature, which is the copy paste feature. So I'm going to go ahead and get some information into my clipboard, and I'm going to go for doc emails again. So this is the copy paste from the media website in the UK, The Sun, that I used earlier. So I'm going to go ahead and select all of that. Command C or Control C on a PC to copy it into clipboard. Just close that down very quickly, and then to paste it in it's Command V or Control V on a PC. In it goes, and there it is. That's the text. Hit the extract button, and I've got 9 emails that have been extracted, and I can manipulate these and extract them, export them in a very similar way that I did in the previous demonstrations. This concludes the demonstration of our new email extractor facility. If you're frequently looking for and trying to identify email addresses from, for example, contact pages, and you want a way of making life a lot easier for yourself without the hassle of having to download, install, and buy software that does this facility, then go ahead and use our facility. It's at tools.email-checker.com. So if you head on over and then just hit the email extractor button right there, and you'll get in and be able to use this facility. So again, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you've got any questions, then just head on over and hit the contact us button at the top of the page there, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.